Dr. Stein, what about if we see it in our children? What's some of the first basic signs that you look for as a mother?
The things that I've heard from people are the first convulsion or a prolonged stare is what brings them in. But when I say, are there any times where Johnny's in the middle of doing something he likes? He's doing the Legos, he's eating his favorite ice cream, he's eating pizza, he's talking to you about going to Disneyland, and then has that ever happened? And so many parents have said, oh yeah, I've seen that for 3 years. The other thing though is wetting the bed beyond the age where we'd expect, thinking they're ADD without any hyperactivity, they're just daydreamers. Not just saying, put on your shoes, where are your shoes, put on your shoes. That's more of a typical ADD. But you're not having to tell them 20 times to do most things, just the things that they didn't hear. Right. And then a decline in schoolwork, a change in personality, a running down the soccer field and not running anymore, and certainly the convulsion or even a partial convulsion, funny movements.